How to add Amex card to Apple Pay. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you add Amex card to your Apple Pay. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Apple Wallet on your iOS device, as it is pre-built in installed on your iOS device. You can install it from the App Store as well. After you open Apple Wallet, from here at the top right, tap on plus icon. Now from here, simply tap on debit or credit card. From here, tap on continue at the bottom. Now from here, tap on enter card details manually, as you can scan the card by using your camera of your iPhone. Now from here, enter your card name and card number. After that, you'll have to verify with your CVV code or any kind of verification from the email. After that, you'll be able to add your Amex card to your Apple Pay. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.